now let's start. ठीक है, so for that I will just give you a question. Aditya, for now you can stop the recording because I am just discussing something now. I will give you a question and just select the like terms from here. ठीक है, these are the, suppose there is a box, I can call it mystery box, in which I will put up so many terms. Now you have to encircle only like terms. So I am writing here now. ठीक है, now we are going to discuss today types of expression. This is again one more important topic, and remember one thing beta, this is the last topic of teaching this thing related to notes, and then we will come to the main things, main application of these things which we have studied from the beginning. Okay, so remember today's topic will be explaining you how to differentiate which expression is of which type. Okay, so first I am telling you what is the name and explanation of that. The first term is called monomial. Okay, we call it monomial. Monomial with the monomial is the expression which has only one term. Okay, which has only one term. Now mono, remember mono is the word which differentiate, which call it mono means single term. So remember when you have only one term, the expression is called monomial. Now mono के बाद आता है bi. ठीक है, the word is called bi. Bi means two. So binomial. Binomial means when you have two terms. Now after binomial comes trinomial. The word is only called trinomial. Trinomial means you have three terms. Now after this comes quadrinomial. ये वाला word आपको बहुत कम मिलेगा बुक्स में, but remember ये होता है. ठीक है, क्वाड्रीनोमियल होता है, लेकिन जनरली ओके इसके एक्चुअली होता क्या है ना बेटा, थ्री के बाद मतलब ट्राइनोमियल के बाद जनरली बुक्स में पॉलिनोमियल लिखा होता है. ठीक है, जनरली क्वाड्रिनोमियल नहीं आता, वो लोग पॉलिनोमियल लिखते हैं. बट रिमेंबर मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल, आफ्टर दैट इट कम्स polynomial also, and we can call it quadrinomial also for fourth term. So remember quadrinomial means four terms, and increasing that उससे ऊपर के जितने भी हैं that is called polynomial. Poly मतलब number of, many number of. ठीक है, so we call it polynomial. So polynomial means more than these terms. You can call it more than these terms also. और या इससे ऊपर के जितने भी हैं हम उनका नाम नहीं शो करते हैं. ठीक है, हम उसका नाम शो नहीं करते. we call it like that only, polynomial, all are polynomial. So now remember monomial one term, binomial two term, trinomial three term. Yes
ma'am, we have to write this in copy.
No, you don't write it. I am explaining you only that for remembering. If you want to write, it's your choice, but I have told you for explanation only from my point of view. Okay, fine. It's your goodness if you have written it. Otherwise, I was only good. Very good, beta. Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, the expression means, ma'am, that ma'am, constant and ma'am, variables are mixed with each other, ma'am. But ma'am, if there will be only number, then ma'am, that will be called as expression or not?
It will be called expression. उसको वो आपको याद होगा कि जब मैंने अभी डिस्कशन नहीं आपकी क्लास में नहीं किया था, सॉरी हाँ 8th में किया था. अभी इसको हम बताएंगे बेटा, अभी टेंशन मत लो, अभी इसी पे आ जाएगा वो. ठीक है, अभी जस्ट इसी में कवर हो जाएगा राहुल. ठीक है,
ओके मैम.
हाँ, I'll cover it up in this topic only. Okay, the first one is called monomial. Now I am telling you the simple thing. Now what are the monomial? Where we have single term. For example, we have 5. This is called monomial. Second one, if you have 2x, again monomial. Suppose you have 100 x, y, z, monomial. ठीक है, monomial means when you have only one term. When you have only one term is called monomial. Now, tell me, is this monomial or not?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's binomial.
Okay. Let me tell you, it is monomial. ठीक है, let me tell you, it is monomial. Now I
Ma'am,
will
we will
explain you
add-
why